Ma'am, on the note of tourism goals, recently there have been exchanges between China and a lot of Philippine government officials. There's even been a call by Akbayan to pause at least yung 14-day visa-free access ng Chinese tourists. How are you balancing yung tensions between the two countries over the West Philippine Sea? Of course, President Marcos has said hindi naman yung totality ng bilateral relations ng China at ng Philippines.
First of all, it is not the mandate of the Department of Tourism to balance tensions, but rather to promote the Philippines. And that is why, from the very beginning, since 2022, we have been a very strong proponent for the liberalization of visa policies, especially knowing that our direct competitors within the region have already liberalized their visas to the Chinese market. That being said, we know the dependency of the Philippines as far as source markets are concerned, with China contributing greatly prior to the pandemic. And so, to be perfectly honest, it has been very difficult to fully recover the numbers of the country without the Chinese market, which is why we are grateful to our president, who has directed, by way of the Department of Foreign Affairs, the institution of visa-free travel coming into the country. At the end of the day, tourism is about people, tourism is about livelihood. And whatever which way, whatever which measure can support the continuous employment of our tourism stakeholders in the Philippines, we would definitely support. And we expect na dahil visa-free na po yung China papunta dito sa Pilipinas, ay mas dadami pa po yung mga Chinese tourists natin, mas lalago pa po yung negosyo ng ating mga destinations dahil makakasuporta po yung mga turista na ito sa ating mga small and medium enterprises.